In this video, you will learn the simple process of exporting separate JSON files for each section of GSTR1. As a quarterly returns monthly payment or QRMP dealer, you have the invoice furnishing facility in which you can file your GSTR1 returns quarterly and upload your B2B invoices and credit or debit notes on a monthly basis. Let's see how Tally Prime enables you to export separate files for each section. First of all, press F11, go to Enable Goods and Services tags, and in the GST details screen, set periodicity of GSTR1 as quarterly. Open GSTR1. Press Alt+G. Type or select GSTR1 and press Enter. Press F2 to change the period if needed. Enter the from and to dates based on the month for which you want to export B2B invoices and credit and debit notes. Select the sections you need to submit. Press Alt+E. Select GST returns and press Enter. Press F12 and enable Show section. Select the transactions corresponding to the sections you need. You need to submit the B2B invoices and credit note sections in case you are uploading transactions for the first and second month of the quarter. In the case of the third month of the quarter, you need to submit summary sections such as HSN summary, document summary, and so on, along with B2B and credit notes. Let's select the B2B sales and credit note. Also, select HSN summary and document summary as we are submitting transactions for third month of the quarter. Click Export or press X. Press C to configure the export. Select File Format as JSON. Now, you can see the configuration, export separate files for each section. It is important to note that this facility is available only when the file format is JSON. For instance, if you select the file format as MS Excel or CSV, then the configuration will not be applicable. Let's select the file format as JSON. Then press Enter on Export Separate Files for each section to set it as Yes. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. Press E to export the file. You have exported separate files for each section of GSTR1, and that too in a matter of seconds. Thereafter, you can go to the GST portal and upload it. Open the GST portal and log in with your username and password. Click Return Dashboard. Financial year is select based on the current date. Select the quarter in which you are filing the return. Select the period for which you are filing the return. Click Search and then click Prepare Offline in the Invoice Furnishing Facility block. Click Choose File. For instance, let's select the files of B2B invoices and CDNR and press Enter to upload on the GST portal. As you can see, the upload of JSON files is processed. Later, you can go in the same dashboard through Prepare Offline in the Invoice Furnishing Facility block. You can view the invoices and CDNR uploaded for filing returns. As you saw, it's simple to export separate files for each section of GSTR1 and then upload on the GST portal.